welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top headlines. National Medical Commission announces provisional relaxation for appointment and promotion of faculty. In the light of COVID-19, the National Medical Commission has announced one-time provisional relaxation to the appointment of faculty and their promotion. In the recent notification released on the official website of the Apex Medical Regulator, the National Medical Commission has noted that inconvenience is being faced by teaching faculty of various institutes in attending mandatory MET workshops. Hence, it has decided to provide some relaxation to the norms for faculty appointment and promotion for the post of professors. This is a one-time relaxation applicable till 31st December 2022, the notification added. NEET and NEET PG 2021 MCC to conduct AIQ counselling in 4 rounds. Through a recent notification, the Medical Counselling Committee has announced the conduct of NEET and NEET PG All India Quota counselling with respect to MBBS, BDS, MD, MS and PG diploma admissions this academic year. The MCC of DGHS is going to conduct the NEET and NEET PG admission process via AIQ counselling in 4 rounds. Medical Counselling Committee of DGHS, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is entrusted with the responsibility of conducting counselling for 15% UG and 50% PG seats for all India quota seats by the Honorable Supreme Court of India and Gazette notifications issued by the NMC. KEA NEET 2021 counselling last date of registration extended. Karnataka Examination Authority has extended the last date of registration of the students seeking to participate in KEA UG NEET 2021 counselling conducted for admissions in MBBS, BDS, BHMS, BUMS and other medical courses. Last date of online registration and submission of application has been extended. Only 18% pass in orthopedics result in diplomat of National Board exam leave doctors stunned. Less than 1 in 5 doctors doing post-graduation in orthopedics pass the final theory exam conducted by the National Board of Examination. In ENT, almost 2/3 failed the exam. Similarly, just over 36% passed the exam in pediatrics. The results announced by the NBE on 24th November were a shock to many doctors doing diplomat of National Board. MBBS student missing for over 15 days, cops suspect kidnapping. Days after a third-year MBBS student studying at the government-run Grand Medical College, also known as JJ Hospital, went missing. Bandra police on Friday last week registered an FIR for kidnapping against unidentified persons. The medico has been missing for more than 14 days now, leaving the police and her family confused. The Medical Dialogues team had earlier reported about this missing case when she had left her home in Boisar and was going to college to appear for an internal preliminary examination. However, she never reached the college. Subsequently, a missing person complaint was filed at Boisar police station. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.